Have you always wanted to make environments in Unreal 4 but didn't know where to start? Are you an experienced 3D artist looking to level up your game? Then this tutorial is for you. Hi, my name is Thiago Klafke, and I'm an environment artist with 15 years of experience. During this time, I've had the chance to work for studios such as Ubisoft and Blizzard Entertainment on games like StarCraft 2 and Overwatch. In this tutorial, I draw from my vast experience and show my entire creative process to make an interior environment from scratch. When I started this, I didn't have a plan. I simply followed my intuition and allowed my creativity to flow freely. This entire environment was made under 30 hours of total work, thanks to the time-proven techniques that I used to save time and resources. I will show you how to make use of modularity, trim sheets, and tileable textures to quickly create structures, props, and even plants. I also cover many other subjects, such as lighting and post-processing, baking tiling textures, and I share a lot of my thoughts on environment creation. I use mostly Maya and Photoshop, but these techniques are software agnostic. If you're familiar with Blender, 3ds Max, or Substance Designer, you should have no problem at all following this process. So head over to my Gumroad page and check out a free sample. And if you want to get in touch, leave a comment below or hit me up on Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!